Eczema. Herbal remedies for eczema. Some people they are confusing about eczema and stretch mark. They are different. There's different type of eczema, but eczema is different from stretch mark. Maybe one of these days to come, I will do a video that talk about stretch mark and the healing of it and how you can get rid of stretch mark. But today, I'm giving you excellent and genuine cure for eczema. Before we go, if you have noticed, if you have watched every of my video before, you will see that I'm giving you the meaning of the disease that's doing you. Even though when you go to hospital, doctor may not able to tell you what exactly wrong with you, how that thing come to your body system, but I'm going to tell you everything. I will let you know what the cause is, the name of the disease, how you can get rid of it. In some of my video, I'm even giving out natural cure that you did not even need any herb. But on this video today, I'm going to give you 100% cure for eczema. And I'm going to tell you the meaning of eczema, the causes and type and different type of eczema that we have. Now let's continue. What is eczema? This inflammatory skin condition triggers dry, itchy skin, also known as dermatitis eczema, affects 5 billion of people in the world. You can get eczema symptom at any age, although it's more common in children. Most grow out of it, although some may continue to have dry skin or be prone to fly up later in life. The most common type of eczema is atopic dermatitis, but there are many other different types, include irritant dermatitis, allergic contact dermatitis, dichondrotic eczema, nodular eczema, and seborrheic eczema. Eczema is dry skin condition which come in different form and varies from person to person. It is not contagious, so it is safe to be around those suffering from this skin condition. In mid cases of eczema, skin is dry, red, and itchy. Scratching can lead the skin to split, bleeding, and open to infections, though it can occur at any age. It is primarily seen in children. Those who get eczema during their childhood are more likely to get it again later in life. Type of eczema: varicoses. This type of eczema is common in later life, particularly in women, but can occur from the teenagers year onward. If you have poor circulation, blood clot in your legs, varicose veins, have had phlebitis or cellulitis in the past, or are overweight, you are prone to develop varicose eczema. Pulmonary eczema is usually restricted to the hand and feet. It involves the development of intensively itchy, watery blister which mostly affect the side of the fingers, the palm of the hand and the sole of it. This condition can occur at any age but is most common before the age of 40 years. Atopic dermatitis. This type of eczema is chronic and inflammatory. You may be genetically inclined to develop atopic dermatitis or AD if your family has history of this type of eczema. Meaning this could be hereditary, but it is not necessary that it will be passed from parent to child in all cases. AD usually develop in children under the age of 5 and a combination of genetic and environmental factors may play a role in who gets infected. Contact. As the name suggests, contact eczema occurs as a result of contact with allergens or irritants in our environment. This causes the skin to become red and itchy. In most cases, contact eczema happens on arm and legs or part of the body which come into contact with these allergens. We have talked about the meaning of eczema, the type of eczema. Now let's get right. Let's destroy it and let's be here. Home remedy for eczema. Sunflower oil. Please, before we go forward, this is not home video. Please, this is not home video. This is medicinal video. This type of video that will make you be a freedom person, that will get rid of all type of disease in your body. This is type of video that will give you grace, chance, power to move as you want, to spend the money you have in your hand as you want. Because without good health, you can't move as you want, you can't spend the money as you want. Please listen very well. Put all your mind here. Anything that can distract you or will distract you from not listening very well to this video, please set them aside, because this is medicine. It's not a joke something. You have to be concentrated so that you don't misuse the root and the herb I have prescribed here, because if you do that, it's dangerous. Please make sure you watch this to the end. Make sure you watch it to the end. Which is an astringent made from the bark and leaf of the fish shrub. It has been used for centuries as a topical remedy for skin inflammation. Yet research on which haze for eczema is scarce. Still, the remedy is often applied to calm inflamed skin, dry up oozing area and relieve itching. Collodial ointment. Collodial ointment is made from fine ground oat. It helps calm and soften inflamed skin. Collodial ointment is available in cream or powder form. Add the powder to lukewarm or bath water and soak for 10 to 15 minutes to help soften raw skin and relieve itching. After your bath, Pat your skin dry and apply a thick layer of hypoallergenic moisture that has high oil content. Evening prime rose oil. Evening prime rose oil come from the evening prime rose plant. It's used topically to soothe irritated skin. When taken by mouth, it's used to treat systemic inflammatory conditions such as eczema. Evening prime rose oil contains omega-6 fatty acid and gamma linolenic acid, which may play a role in preventing inflammation in the body. Study results on evening prime oil for eczema are mixed. Even so, many people claim it helps reduce their eczema symptoms without negative side effects. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is extracted from coconut meat. It may be used as a natural moisturizer. According to the National Eczema Association, the antibacterial ability of coconut oil can reduce staph bacteria on the skin, which helps prevent infection. This is important for people with eczema because patch of inflamed skin may crack and allow bacteria to enter. When applying it to your skin, use virgin or cold pressed coconut oil that processed without chemical. Please, before we go further, try to subscribe to this channel, make a comment and like this video. And please, when you use any of my prescription on my video and it work for you, let other people know that God is doing something on this channel. Let your testimony keep another person here. Help others, help your neighbor, help your friend, help your family by letting them know the way to be cured from a series of diseases. And please, let all your mind be here now. I'm giving you one of the best eczema healer. Where we are now, though this is combination of root herb and some certain thing, but it work like magic. Anything you are doing that may be distracted you, please suspend it now. And I've told you earlier, this is medicinal video, it's not home video. This is not type of video that will make you laugh, but this type of video that will give you joy, that will make you free, that will make people around you happy with you, play with you. Because when you have eczema in your body, people will be running from you. Even though some of you that you have fiancé, your fiancé, your man, your woman may try to run from you because they feel like some people don't believe that eczema is not contagious. But when you listen now and you make use of this thing I'm telling you, you will see that your body will come to normal. Now let's back to our topic. This one, you have to look for West African native soap, grounded potash, lime orange juice, penicillin ointment, coconut oil. get this 5 item. When you get this 5 item and look at the top, I've put the picture of these things so that you can be able to get them in the market. And this coconut oil that you are seeing is not type of coconut oil that is being diluted or chemical. Pure coconut oil. If it's possible for you, you can make the coconut oil by yourself. The Africa native soap, you can make it by yourself. This African native soap itself, it has a lot of benefit. Maybe one of these days I will talk about it, how to make it. Mix West Africa native soap with grounded potash. Then add lime orange juice. Then apply this mixture to your body at least 2 hours before bed. It will be better if you can make use of West Africa native soap as your bed soap. Then buy Pelicillin ointment and mix it with coconut oil. Use this mixture as your body cream till affected area is healed. See, what I'm saying here is that your West Africa native soap that you have bought, your potash, make sure you have ground it. Then pour the potash that you have grounded, pour it on top of your African native soap. Then add your lime orange juice. Make sure it's 100% pure. Your lime orange juice is not diluted one. If it's possible for you, buy the lime orange it's by yourself. Then extract the water, extract the juice by yourself, and pour it on top of this African native soap with the potash and mix them together. Then use it to rub yourself. Use it to rub yourself, especially the affected area, the place that eczema is affected in your body system. Use that to rub it very well. Use it to rub it very well. When you do that, allow this thing to dry in your body. At least let it stay like 2 hours or 3 hours more. At least let it stay 2 hours plus in your body system before you go for bathing. And when you want to bath, I will advise you to use Africa native soap to bath for a while as your bathing soap. After you have done that, after you have bathed, then your Pelicillin ointment that you have bought and your coconut oil, mix them together and use them as a cream. Use it as a cream till you will see changes. At least if you can make use of this thing I prescribe for you just 3 days, you must see a very very great changes. I'm sure of it 100%. Someone have used it, a lot of people have used it, and it has been confirmed 100% cure. It works like magic. This is wonderful if you can make use of it. Please try it and get here. Please, before I go and before you go, please click the subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel. Make a comment below, and after you have made use of this prescription, please come back and let people know that you are here by this channel. Let people know that God have take away your anxiety by this journey. Come back and write a testimony. And let your people know that God have blessed you by healing you from this journey. Thanks.